Well, I'm back. Sorry about last night. I meant to press record, but I guess I didn't, guys. So I started watching Guncast and I finished rapping the headers. I only rocked them up to a certain point, up to the 1320, and then they all the way down. But I'll put some light. We're gonna start on the hoses, like I said. Today is Tuesday. Yeah. Fucking best in Cali. We the best. So yeah, that's where we at right now. Yeah, so let me get to it. Actually kind of tired. It's wet out. It's been raining like the whole weekend, and it's supposed to rain all this week. So I'm gonna get to it and put y'all on laps. This time I'm going to press record so we can see what the dilly be. Basically I'll be I fabbed up the stock fuel filter bracket, and then I gotta cut a piece off and put a hole on it for the screw, so I had to tighten up for the new AM. Once I put that on, then I'll mock up the lines and I'll construct them, and that'll be it. We'll get that done. I'll make sure everything's squared away, and then I'll go get some gas so I can prime this thing, make sure we ain't got no leaks. Yeah, that's where we at. So put y'all on laps and let's get to it. All right, just finished the lines. Oh, I had to set the light back up. It started to get a little windy outside, get a little cold. So I set the light back up. I'm gonna mock it up. Light. Gonna be fuel rail for the filter. And this is gonna be the feed to the filter. So let me get the light up and that was still charging. Yeah, let me get the light up and then we'll get these things mocked up and we'll see what it look like. All right. Come out, down to the filter, out the filter, into the fuel rail, back out the fuel rail, back to the pump. It's time to mock a few more things up. And that actually clears room for intake if need be. So we're gonna be good on that. Still stock location of the filter, just altered the bracket a little bit. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Just running some lines. So, yeah. Well, I think I said I'm gonna be done for tonight. Got that part done. Now, all that's left is just to put the axles on, put the fluids in it, tighten everything up, check everything, make sure everything's good. No leaks or nothing. Prime it over. I may do the valve cover tonight with the dress-up kit. May do that. May do that real quick. Just to go ahead and put it on so I can see what everything look like. So we can have a complete pic. Sitting there. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm gonna put it on a stand real quick and put this valve cover on with the little hardware. Be back. All I'm doing now is just putting on the valve cover gasket. Tube says 4 tube says all right. There she go. I'll take a quick picture, clean this stuff up real quick. So I get ready to go in the house. The wife already seeing it. She want to kick it. So let me clean this stuff up real quick, get a quick little pic. And then, yeah, that's going to be it for the night, guys. All right. Oh.